How to set clock on Redmi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, you can just scroll down to additional settings over here. So here you can see the additional settings, tap on it, and here you can see the option of date and time under system settings. So tap on it, and here you can see you can set time automatically or you can set time zone automatically. So you can also select the time format and so on. So if you want to set your time according to your wish or manually, you just have to turn off this one and you can select the date, you can select the time that you want, and then tap on OK. So here you can generally set them automatically and you do not have to work on it manually. Next, you can select the time format, which could be 12-hour or 24 hours or auto based on the system language. Here I'm going to select on 12-hour. After that, go back, and your time has been set on your Android phone, which is Redmi phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.